those of you who have been to a manufacturing convention probably know you get a lot of free crap. And that is exactly what I did when I went to IMTS 2016. So, I'm going to show you exactly what I got. So, let's just start with the pure bulky things here. So, we went to go look at robots on the big displays. We went to Doosan. I think that's how you say it. I think it's a Korean company. They had a stand where you could just get free pop. Don't ever buy anything from a vending machine at a manufacturing convention because they gave me this free plastic cup. And you can use this. You can reuse this. Look, it's even got the tab at the top. It's a I drink logic cup. Or at least it looks like I drink because there's like a circle on top of this line indent. So it looks like a lowercase I, but I'm pretty sure it was meant to be an uppercase I. And if it wasn't meant to be a letter at all, I don't know why they put it there. But anyway, so if you go to a manufacturing convention, don't buy anything from a vending machine because this was free. This amount of Coca-Cola was free. I wonder if there's like an ounce measurement on here. Ooh, hot or cold. I don't see a measurement. But this is still a pretty decent sized cup. Okay, so we have that. Then, see what else do we have in this free grocery bag you get from almost every booth. There are more than 50 of these types of bags, and there is a reason I don't have any more than one or two. So we got the spinny thing. This is from, I believe it was in the student area, and it says Master Cam on it. I don't really know if it's a company or it was part of the student thing, but you can spin it up in the air. Not like that, but so there's that. Oh, we went to see Kuka's robots, which were like the first thing we walked into. When it wasn't in the big displays, it was the side displays. If you had went to the left, it was all the way on the corner, and they gave you earbuds. It was on a machine that could pick them up and place them on a circle on a mat. And if you put your hand under where the robot was putting it down, it would stop. It was pretty cool. But, you know, these are earbuds, but they're not very good earbuds. You can understand why. I mean, if you had to mass produce these things to give out, you wouldn't want $7 earbuds because those are expensive after a while. So these are probably like 99-cent earbuds. They're not good at all. So it's a cool ornament. Definitely a memorable item you can get from Kuka. So I have 3 different nail files from the same place. I was originally grabbing one for my sister, but she grabbed one as well. And then we just had an extra one for someone else. And now we have 3 nail files. And this is from AmericanManufacturing.org. Alliance for American Manufacturing on the back. I don't know if it's gonna show it considering my horrible lighting in camera, but that's how it looks. So this is those. Hold on 1 second. There we go. There was one booth that was giving away piggy banks. Don't mind the yellow thing in there, it's from a different booth, but I just kind of put it in there. This is from Olheld, which actually had a drawing for a smartwatch if you had like taken out the paper inside and registered for it. Company name is spelled OELHELD, Innovative Fluid Technology, and it's oheld.com. Yeah. I'll show you the slug that's inside it. There's like maybe 75 cents at most in here. I don't really remember how much exactly it was. I'll count it in 1 second after I pick up that penny. The slug is so slippery. There we go. 1 moment. I think I dropped something, but I don't know what. Oh, no, it's just something in the bag. Okay, let's count up this money. How much money did I get? It was also the last day of the convention, so there was a sign saying, ask us how you can get this piggy bank, but we didn't have to ask. They just kind of gave it to us because there was too many. So we got 10 cents here, we got another 10 cents, so it's 20 cents, 45 cents, 40, yeah, this is 50 cents, 50 cents in really random change, but okay. So I'm just gonna put that over here. I have a little coin thing inside of my room. I don't believe any of these coins are rare. Nope. So, the slug, I'm gonna keep it out because it comes up in one of the paper things I'm gonna bring out. So, I'm gonna put this over here. Here we go. Okay. Okay, this is from Keep It Made in America. Again, it's a bottle opener. So, it's cool. It's got Keep It Made in America in the center. Nothing on the back. It's a keychain. Oh, this thing. This thing props your phone up. It's from SMTCL. I'm not sure if there's a bigger logo. Once I open this up, let me check. How do you open it? I don't know. Oh, I think there you go. There's no bigger name on the inside, but that's the logo. But what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put your phone in between this, so this is a phone stand. I thought it was kind of cool, but like at first you don't know what it is, because I mean, what is this? A razor? What do I do with it? I mean, really. It kind of looks like a knife, but it's not. And it's not sharp anywhere on it, so I didn't know what it was. Then we got these really handy dandy things. This is for cups. It's a coaster. It's from Zhang Yi Rubber. At least that's how it looks to be read. Solution to custom matted products. www.zon.com.tw. Oh, I guess it's from Taiwan. And Zon is spelled Z-O-N. No, it should really have a G if that's going to be in their company name, but I don't know, maybe it's unavailable. That's how that looks. Kind of looks like a smiley face with all that blur, but I believe... no, these aren't from the same place. I got orange and blue because Portal. And I just like orange and blue. But they had a lot of color bracelets. This is from Peru University School of Engineering Technology. And it was just a booth on you should go to my university. And I don't exactly remember what they excel at, but honestly, I would rather go to Kettering if I wanted to go to a really good engineering school because it's the best in America. Statistically, I guess. Stress ball. 2-axis head direct drive, it says on the back of it. HSD mechatronics. So, It's hard to remember which way my camera is positioned right now. And I have another one of those for some reason. I don't know why. Keep it made in America button. So that's cool. This is honestly a really cool button. Like, I don't know if I really care about keeping stuff made in America though. I mean, it's less expensive if you do it over another country, but if we keep it made in America, it gives us more jobs, but doesn't that kind of make it also more expensive because it has more jobs to it? There's a good and a bad to this, and I'm not really supportive of either side. But the website is AmericanManufacturing.org, if you were wondering. Oh, this is a bag. It's a bag and a bag and a ball. Or rather, it's a bag and a ball and a bag. It kind of looks like a Pokeball, if you'll notice. I choose you, fucking SMTCL. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to swear. But let's try to take this out here. What's the bag look like? And it's stuck. It's got a button on it. It smells. It smells like new plastic. Ew. It's just one of those regular bags, only thinner. And doesn't smell nearly as good for the earth. But hey, the design for putting in the ball is pretty cool, right? I don't think it's very durable either. Kind of smells like a really thin swimsuit. Let's try putting it back in this ball. Or whatever it is, considering it's not even fully dimensional sphere. Where's that? Did I push it down? Where is it? I don't know. Oh yeah, I pushed it down. God dang it. No. Stay up. There's that. Yeah, let's try this again. There we go. That's back to looking like its original Pokeball self. I wonder if they thought of this for Pokemon Go, but it's got a little thing on it for your keychain. I don't think you would want this in your purse, let's be honest. I guess I'll throw this back away. So let's see. I have another stress ball, but it's from a different place. Take the stress out of stamping. And this is where the slug is from, so let's just kind of put that slug up there. There we go. DTC products, stop pulling slugs. And then there's like an X out logo on a slug. I don't know what slugs have to do with stamping, but it's probably a joke I don't get. Slug keeper machine. So. No, it fell off. There we go. There we go. Let's put the slug back on there. So, that's their stress ball. Just put the slug on it if it wants to stay on it. I don't think it does. Okay, whatever. It's on my pepper shaker. Ah, sweet. I've been looking at getting this out. This is hand sanitizer from Geisen. That's what it looks like. Antibacterial hand sanitizer. 1 ounce / 30 milliliters. Yeah, when you go in a place with lots of gross people, that's a good thing to have. Oh, this wasn't part of any particular booth, or, well, it was. It was from a booth that had, I think, peaches that you could eat on the side of their booth, but they had a tiny little fork, like, multiple of these, so you could eat it, but, like, I just wanted the fork, so I took the fork. If anyone knows what booth that was, feel free to tell me. Oh, this was cool. You got to make your own yo-yo, though it didn't really feel like you did anything. So this is from Promess. Promess. Funny. But what you did was you put this at the bottom of the machine and on a plate, and then you would put the string, loop it on here, and then you would put this on top of it, and then the machine would press it together, and then it became this. It was cool. But PromessInc.com 810-229-9334, just in case you were wondering. These have absolutely no relation, but I got them from Lake Michigan. Cool ass rocks. Yeah. Oh, this is like a spare thread cutter right here. Or at least I think that's how you'd use that. Maybe a floss cutter. I believe this part might be meant to be a toothpick. And or something you would keep in your pocket. But just slide that razor down into your pocket. Wait until you get all the phrase from that. Bren Inc. with all of Bren capitalized. BREN. 800-826-3991. BrenInc.com. World Class Marking Systems. Cool. Oh, it's got this little keychain thing at the top. I just thought it was kind of cool because it had a razor on the side and it was shaped nice. And I just kind of took it. At the end days of convention, you don't really have to work for all the giveaways because they're giving them away, so they don't have to carry it back with them wherever they came from. This is a lantern. I got it from one of the booths. I don't think it has a name on it, but it's this cool little lantern thing. I'm not really sure what I'll use it for, honestly. There's no light inside of it. It's just this cool little decoration. So there's that. And I'm out of physical objects. Now we have to move on to things that kind of look like paper. But they can also be objects. They're just flat. And I might have a surprise when I finish showing you all the paper stuff. There's a NASA booth in the student section. And they have like this map of NASA facilities. I believe that's what this is. Yes. NASA centers and facilities. Got a little bent while it was in my bag, but it's got this on the back. Can't really read it anyway, so not gonna bother, but it just describes what the centers are and where they were. So I'm just gonna leave this here. Oh, more Keep It Made in America. These are stickers. Yes, these are stickers. And we're back. So, these are the must-sees at IMTS. Let's see what they have. These are the student summits. Design it, make it, machine it, measure it, tool it, automate it, build it, weld it. And I'm not sure what I have. Oh my god, this is big. Work it. Manufacturing needs you. And then there's a lot of statistics. Cool. Now, how many of those statistics are really lying, though? We used to have a class in high school that was basically centered around lying with statistics. It's cool. must-sees are AMT's Emergency Technology Center, Modern Machine Shop Top Shoes, Booth N70 for like a 3D printed car, Today's Technology Center, TTC, Green Power, Booth NC500, Siemens Ingenuity for Life, Gene Haas Foundation Scholarship, and the KUKA Robotics and Yaskawa Monoman exhibit was also a must-see, and I did see them, so that's cool. Engineering technology difference. Oh, this is from the Student Summit. I believe this is from, Peru Polytechnic Institute. Engineering technology majors. They have aeronautical engineering technology, audio engineering technology, automation systems integration engineering technology, electrical engineering technology, industrial engineering technology, mechanical engineering technology, mechatronics engineering technology, network engineering technology, and robotics engineering technology. That's nice. Nice. What? But why are all the potential employers car makers, though? Robotics isn't just cars. Shouldn't that just, be in a auto section of engineering? But, if you don't know, technology at the end of a college course is describing that it's more hands-on than if it was just a plain-out engineering class. So if you want to know the difference between electrical engineering and electrical engineering technology, electrical engineering technology is more hands-on. Just so you know. Octopus with the S backwards. It kind of looks like a 2. Flexibility, functionality, fluidity. Like its namesake, Octopus. Oh, it's a Z. Okay. Has the reach and versatility to take interface simplicity and core power to a new level for optimal efficiency. Complex made simple. What is Octopus? I wonder. An intelligent offline robot programming and simulation software solution capable of easily programmed, synchronizing, and simulating multiple robots with their accessories. Directly supporting paths from your favorite pathing systems. Oh boy. Offline robotic cell development. And machine tending such as the loading and unloading of parts. Programming and simulating the complete process, including machinery. We got all this nice stuff on the inside. 8 reasons to extend your reach with Octopus. Do I tell them to you, though? Do I tell them to you? And there's line comparison. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but I'll show it to you. There you go. If you want to do research on your own about this, you can look at www.octopuz.com. And they have Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube, and something with IN in a circle. It's probably LinkedIn, isn't it? Probably. Smart Force Student Summit. This is just a packet for Student Summit folks there. In fact, I think I showed it to you. It's almost exactly the same as the must-see packet. Okay, we got some paper here that we got from Ultrasonic LLC Professional Cleaning Solutions, 82 Mount Holly Lane, Amelia, Ohio, 45102, office 513-502-9746. Info at ultrasonicllc.com. And then they have a website with that, only instead of info at, it's just www. Okay, so there's that notepad, that's cool. I like this, because stencils are so useful. Bren Incorporated. Hey, we ran into them earlier. Oh. And I kind of have a Fanic sticker in here on accident. But this is what the stencil looks like. So yeah, Bren Inc., good for you. Richard Hurst, IT Manager and Technician, 615-395-7025, or 800-826-3991. And it's in Tennessee, I believe. So if you want to go check out Bren Incorporated, go ahead. Yeah, and Fanic. Everyone knows Fanic if you're in the machining industry. They're a robotics company, and everyone uses Fanic robots if they can afford them. Because they're good. But I like the KUKA exhibit more. As a robotics student, like, KUKA interests me more than Fanic. Then I have his pen. We got a lot of pens at the end or in the student summit place. This is from Mitu Toyo, which is Mitutoyo. This nice little orange pen. I still don't know where my camera is. This is my badge. I'm not allowing you to read it though, but this is the lanyard. It's got IMTS Cutting Tool Engineering Magazine. I guess that's their main sponsor. So there's that. Put that over there. Another thing from NASA, it's this giant ass rocket sticker. SLS, NASA's Powerful Space Launch System, SLS, will propel future explorers in the Orion spacecraft to deep space frontiers farther than we have ever gone before, and will enable science missions that deliver new knowledge and improve life on Earth. Stands 322 feet tall, weighs 5.7 million pounds, travels at 23,618 miles per hour. Join us on the journey. #Journey to Mars, with every individual word capitalized and not spaced out. www.nasa.gov/exploration. Oh boy. And it's got a little code at the bottom of it. I don't know what that is. So there's this nice rocket shuttle sticker. Look at that. Oh my god. More Alliance for American Manufacturing. I got a lot of things from a booth. The little blue collar fact book, what your friends, family, and elected leaders need to know about manufacturing. And it's all their things on the back. All their contact information. This is what the front looks like. So there's that. Free software! And a thing that was sticking to the front. This is VeriSurf 3D Measurement Solutions. It's a learning edition. CAD, measure, automate, build, analysis, and reverse. Probably reverse analysis, if I had to guess. So if you want to check out this software, it's probably free on their website and or free if you have a code for it. VeriSurf. I'm sure if you just look it up, you will find it. It's a .com address, just so you know. So I'm gonna, yeah. It has code on it, so I'm not gonna show it. Marprude Polytechnic University. It's a sticker, I think. Or maybe it's something you put on your car. I don't have a car. Oh yeah, this isn't paper. Well, I guess it can be, but this is from a booth where you had to throw football and, or was it from that booth? Maybe it was just from a random booth. I don't know. But it's a football air freshener. Castrol Edge, official motor oil sponsor of the NFL. Made in China. Or at least the bag was. Made in China. They're not keeping it made in America, are they? Speaking of which. Oh, more slug stuff. DTC product. Stop pulling slugs. Slug keeper machine. Go. I wonder if there's zip strips. The ultra removable bumper sticker. It's a bumper sticker. I didn't know. I got this. It's one ship from one of the, I believe it might have been the Make It booth? Maybe not the Make It booth, but the design booth? I don't know. It's in the Student Summit. Rocketcontest.org. It's a contest where you had to build your own rocket. No, it was probably in the Make It, because they had spare parts on their table. They also had computers, so it's kind of confusing. Another pen. This little part here kind of looks like a mechanical pencil, but it's just from, I think I hold it this way, 3NINE, capital E. So it looks like 3NIN, only with a backwards E on the end. Not backwards E, a backwards 3. You know what I meant. It's not showing it that well, but... Oh, it is a mechanical pencil. I thought that was totally a pen. Another pen. Even made in America. Of course. I mean, there's no red on it, but it's got blue and white. There's that. What's this? Peru Polytechnic. Again. It's got all their stuff about their college. Cool. 400 plus study abroad programs in 60 countries. 1,000 plus student organizations. Number 20 public university in the United States. 15 learning communities to make instant connections with fellow first-year students. So, if you like engineering and you like communication, Peru, look into it. It's Peru with P-U-R-D-U-E. Actually, I think I've been pronouncing that wrong the whole video. Purdue. I believe that's how you're supposed to spell it. It's not spell it, pronounce it. Okay. The IMTS 2016 handbook, obviously. On-site guide. Ooh, they have different routes on it. Oh, it's a shuttle bus schedule. That would have been useful if I'd actually looked at it. Our shuttle bus came like right after we left, so it wasn't really that much of a big deal. Slug keeper machine. 2 slug retention grooves per opening, 0.0014 deep. Galvanized steel, 0.048 thick. So, like, there's a machined eye in here is what it looks like, and then some random other metal pieces. Yeah. More of a slug, people. Oh, I thought this was cool, but, like, I don't think this is a sticker, but it was telling you oil-resistant keyboards and easy to wash, and it was born in the USA, and they have so many different designs, and I was like, man, I want one of these keyboards. I hope they have a mechanical one, because I like auditory response. Now we have a business card here. I believe it's the only business card I really took, other than that wood chip. That was kind of like a business card. GKS, Lifting and Moving Solutions, LLC. I believe I showed something from there earlier in this video. It's got a little barcode on the bottom. I don't know if you want to look at that, but I'm not going to use it, don't worry. More things from one of the things we already covered. We had a pen from them. Metu Toyo. They had lanyards too. It's got this little clip at the bottom. It's cool. It's white and orange. And pretty, I guess. Oh, and a NASA tattoo. Or a sticker, I don't remember which. It's a tattoo. NASA. Then we have maps of the north and west, and I do believe I have the... I have south. I don't have east. There's east in here. No. So we have north City Hall, west building, and south building maps. And they have different faces on them, and I don't know exactly who they are. Oh, it tells you. Paul Novak on north, Matt Goose, G-U-C, on west, and Brian O'Dell. They tell you what they're from, too. So, Paul Novak is from South Coast Mold. Matt Goose, I'm going to just call him Goose because I don't know how else I'd pronounce that. Like, Goose. Miss Machining, or Mrs., depending on how you pronounce MRS. And Brian O'Dell is from Circuit Check Incorporated. Smarter, invested, and competitive. There we go. Interesting design you have, but I have another pen from Keep It Made in America. I have this entire book of directory that you get if you just pick one up. It didn't even cost anything. It's just an entire directory of everyone who's there. So this could be a chapter book if it wanted to be. I think it's mostly this big because they're like folded over pages in it. But it's like you get a free book that you can't really read. It's just a directory of everyone who's there. Let's see, do I have more in here besides what I'm holding? Oh, yeah. I got this from, I don't know which booth, but it was like, north from where Kuka was? Or at least up. Like if you went to the corner and then you walked around the corner straight forward, it would be somewhere over there. It's like I think it's for circuit boards. You gotta pick out stuff that's in the circuit boards. It's like, it kind of looks like tweezers, but they don't work like that. It was a 3D printing station. I believe it was centered around 3D printing and like innovating 3D printing, but it's cool because it's made out of really flexible plastic. I didn't work with those kind of 3D printers, so it's cool. Team America Rocketry Challenge. It's also from the Rocket booth. It just has this nice little smooth flyer for themselves. I don't know if this is still going on, but if you're interested. Don't know if you can really see that, but go to rocketcontest.org or look at them on Facebook or Twitter. Or maybe even Facebook and Twitter, but if you want to see this pen again, here you go. There. Okay, whatever. This is the bag you got if you were a student. Yay! So, there's only a couple things I have left in my bag. One of which is Student Summit Smart Force. It's a packet. I don't remember what's in here. Oh, I think it's just all their flyers put together. Nice. So, one of the last things I got is actually really funny. So, you know how I was telling you how people were giving out a lot so they didn't have to carry it home? Well, this guy said he had 3 boxes of these mouse pads. So he said grab as many as you want, so I grabbed like maybe 2/3 of the stack he currently had on the table. He either said 3 boxes or 3 stacks. But so I thought, I'm gonna give this to our computer rooms. Mostly for our teacher that teaches 3 different things in one computer lab. Everything in that computer lab is really old. Like, the computers aren't that old, but they do have pencil writing on the monitors because, students are jerks. And the chair backs are falling off, and the desks are really simple, and they were probably made by hand, or they were IKEA desks. Something. I don't know. Just everything in there is sweaty, oily, gross, and old. Except for the towers. Maybe even those. So yeah, this is my haul from IMTS 2016. And this is why you should always go to manufacturing conventions.